Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Budget Babe here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Welcome if you're new. My name is Ari and I do the zero-based budget, which means I budget until I hit zero. So today we're going to be doing my tax returns. I finally got them. I got them late. I don't know if everyone got them late, but I know I did. So yeah, so this is my tax returns. And let's get started. So I went to the bank and I got the correct denominations. Let me make sure it's straight, because sometimes in my videos I'll be like, girl, you was leaving them all raggedy in the container. Like, let's have them crisp. I like mine's crisp. Okay. I don't know why they gave me these dusty dollar bills, but that's okay. Actually, let me move this up so you can see better. Okay, how are you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. And I'm excited to be back. I have some life changes happen, so it kind of was just out of it a little bit. That's why I wasn't able to post last week. My apologies. I'm dealing with some emotional stuff right now. I'm trying to make sure I don't do emotional spending. I did a little bit of emotional spending, but you know, sometimes that just happens, you know, and sometimes you got to do certain things to pick yourself up a little bit. So, yeah. So for now, let's get back on track and get going. So we're going to be starting with, let me see. We're going to do this binder. I'm not sure if we're going to do my wallet today, but we'll see. We'll go down the line. Don't you just love when you find money in random spots and you don't know what it goes to? We'll figure this out, where this is going to go. Okay, so today we're going to do this first. So for savings, I'm going to put 500. I usually don't do my savings. Oh no, it is upside down. But I was thinking about doing a challenge. So for now, I'm just going to put this in here just in case I decide to do the challenge. If not, I might start the challenge next year. But yeah, here's 500. And if I decide to not do the challenge, I'll probably just keep this in here and build slowly, or part of it will go towards something that that's a priority right now. Even though savings is a priority, I'm just kind of trying to knock some stuff out the way first before I can get into my savings. Emergency won't be getting anything this time. Business also will not be getting anything this time. Travel will also not be getting anything. Debt will be getting, so 250. I'm not going to count this yet because I'm going to be adding more. 73, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3. The reason why it's separated like this is because of specific things. And 105. So in the debt binder, $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $550, $600, $620, $640, $650, $55, $56, $57, $58. So $658. I'm proud of myself for trying to knock out some of those debts. If you haven't seen my debt video, check it out. It's the previous video. It'll be linked below. But also you can go to my channel and see it. These are the debts that were actually on in that video. So I'm trying to pay some of them off, at least part of it, or some of them off completely in this envelope. So I think I take care of 3 of those issues and half of 1. So I'm targeting 4 right now. Student loans will be getting $375. 50, 60, 75. Again, I won't be counting this because I'm gonna make a separate video counting this and seeing what loans I will be paying off. So new car is gonna get $400. I'm getting a new car soon, and this is a priority right now because it's coming up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $1,200. It's coming up in October, so I'm just stacking as much as I can. And then once I'm done with that, I will not shorten, but I will limit these cash stuffings for the new car, and it'll go towards something else. So as you can see, I have a pattern. I am focused more on the priority first, and then once I hit that priority, I'll go back to doing what I usually was doing, which was like savings, emergencies, and whatever the case may be. So hair will be getting $150. And this is going to be $100, $150, $200. I'm trying to figure out if I'm just going to save for my birthday, or if I'm just going to let this be what it needs to be for whenever I need my hair done within the next couple months. I'm trying to figure out the best solution so that I can be more cost effective, but we'll see. My birthday's in January and I want to do it big since I'll be turning 30. So we'll see. Invisalign will be getting $150. Ooh, this Invisalign, I feel like this envelope never moves. Like, oh my gosh. So this is $100, $150, $200, $250, $260, $70, $275. I have a long way to go. I'm trying to figure out if this is going to be a priority soon, or I'm just going to let it be what it needs to be for now. So self-care, we're gonna go back to this one just because I want to make sure. Actually, no, we'll do it now. So I'm gonna have $400 towards my birthday. I want to do, like I said, I want to do something big for myself. One, because of the emotional damage that I've recently had, not to put like a damper on things, but also because my birthday, since it's my 30th birthday, I kind of want to do something memorable. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're thinking about doing a road trip, me and my friends, to LA and going to Disneyland. So I'm just going to put this in self-care for now. New home will not be getting anything. Car maintenance will be getting $100. Finally, right? Gotta start saving for this. Dental will not be getting anything. Beauty, I don't think will be getting anything. Neither will birthdays. Christmas will be getting $125. I don't know why this is so intense right now, this envelope. So we have 100, 120, 130, 35. Wait, hold on a second, y'all. Sorry, I like this to be in order. Okay, 100, 2, 4, 150, 155, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 270. Wait. 170. Wait, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Slowly but surely getting there. I think I want to have 500 to 1,000 in here, but we'll see. That's the goal. Minimum 500, max 1,000. Gym and trainer won't be getting anything. They might. I think I'm going to fill this envelope in my next video just because I have new goals now. If you're ever going through anything, I'm sorry that you guys are going through whatever you're going through. The gym is a good place to let all that loose. So I'm thinking about partaking in that and just kind of, you know, just trying to like focus on myself and pour into myself. So this is now going to be a priority. And YouTube will not be getting anything. So I also, since my birthday is coming up, I kind of want to do certain things. I want to do some shopping. So I have some money designated towards shopping just so I could treat myself. So I'm gonna put that in my other envelope. No, actually, sorry y'all. I feel like I should have, I'm gonna put this in beauty for now. So I want to have a luxe envelope for luxury items, but I'll get that made eventually. But I think I have a whole plan for how I want to have something set up, and I might introduce a new binder. So just stay tuned for that video, and yeah, you'll know more as I post that video, and I'll explain it more later on. But for now, I'm just gonna put this in beauty, and then I'll transport it to my shopping envelope in my wallet. So I have 200 for luxe. And for my shopping envelope, I have two. Hold on, y'all. I'm doing something really like ghetto, I feel like. So raggedy. So 224. Go. Nice. So 224 is gonna go into my shopping envelope. I've already been shopping, but I'm still gonna put this in my envelope. So 1, 2, 220, 21, 22, 23, 24. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do this for now. Okay, and then something is amiss. Why do I always do this to myself? Okay, well, movies is going to be getting 43. This is just for some self-care. This is my relaxation thing, is going to the movies. But I'll do some other stuff later for myself. What is this? Miscellaneous spending. So I'm gonna put this in right here. Okay, and I have an extra $70. Oh no, $120. Oh, this was supposed to be a month ahead. So just so I can get ahead of bills, I'm going to start doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this in my envelope for a month ahead. Okay, and let me see where I'm going to put this 50. What to do, what to do. I think I'm going to put it in travel because, like I said, I'm trying to travel on my birthday, so that's the only place I'd be going anytime soon is in January. So unless I decide to go on a vacation before then, but either way, this would be here for that. So if I decide to use it for something else, I will, because travel is not necessarily a priority, but yeah, so I believe that's all. And do I have any extra? Nope, I do not. Always like to make sure I didn't put anything on the side. Okay, and just for those who are wondering about my ties, since all of my paychecks have had ties, this is like part of those paychecks, so that's why I don't really pay ties for this, because I already paid it throughout the year. So yes, and we're gonna put this in here, and that is all. So I want to thank you all for watching. Tune into my next videos. They're going to be good videos. I want to introduce another binder, so that will be good. I'm just trying to figure out how I want it to look. I'm very aesthetic when it comes to these things because it helps keep me productive. So once I get the aesthetics correct and everything, then I'll introduce you guys to that new binder. Hopefully it'll help some other people who are in the same season as me. But also it'll motivate you to, you know, do what you want to do for yourself. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for your support. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss what's going to come to this channel. I have so many things planned in my head and on paper and you're just gonna want to be here. So come to my family, let's support each other, and let's attack this debt that we both have, and we can do it. So thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy your day.